Our top 5 best rice for sushi. If you're passionate about sushi, it's only natural to want to try and recreate your favorite Japanese dishes from the comfort of your own kitchen. However, it's also very easy to be put sushi lovers of the world unite. Today is a momentous day where we take a journey into the very best sushi rice brands available on the market today. Yes, your day just got a whole lot better. Finding different brands of sushi rice will help you copy your favorite Japanese sushi recipes to perfection. 1 number product. Nishiki medium grain rice, 80 ounce. Nishiki is a premium medium grain rice grown with the rich soil and crystal clear water of California. When flavor and texture of the rice is crucial in cooking, Nashik is the brand people look to. This along with consistent quality has made Nashik the most popular rice brand today. Sushi experts agree that Nashik is their #1 choice. 2 number product. Lundberg Family Farms, Organic California Sushi Rice. Lean and crisp, this classic Japanese-style short grain is grown especially for sushi, but don't let that limit your imagination. California sushi rice has just the right amount of stickiness for rice salads, desserts, and so much more. Thoughtfully crafted, this rice is as versatile as it is delicious. Use its perfect stickiness for a savory sushi burger or follow your sweet tooth and incorporate it into some peaches and cream rice pudding pops. The possibilities are endless. 3 number product. RiceSelect Jasmati, long-grain jasmine rice. Enrich your kitchen with RiceSelect signature Jasmati white rice to enliven your favorite rice-based recipe with unforgettable flavors. Similar to our proprietary Jasmati grain, Jasmati is an American-style hybrid of long-grain and jasmine rice, exclusively offered by RiceSelect. Healthy and traditional, our Jasmati rice is non-GMO project verified, certified gluten-free, and certified kosher by Star K, making it a great addition to your pantry. 4 number product. Botan Musenmai Calrose rice, 5 pound. Botan is an extra fancy Calrose medium grain rice grown with the rice fertile soil and crystal clear water of California. Its tender texture and delicate flavor make it versatile for all cuisines. Enjoy Botan, one of JFC's longest-selling and reasonably priced rice products. 5 number product. Nishiki Premium Brown Rice, 5 pound. 5 pound brown rice. Note, this product description is informational only. Always check the actual product label in your possession for the most accurate ingredient information before use. This product description is informational only. Always check the actual product label in your possession for the most accurate ingredient information before use. Thanks for watching this video.